Maggots. Even the word makes people squirm, but if you can get past the ick, there's a mind-blowing story here. Life cycles, medicine, forensics, fixing our food waste problem. Let's start with what a maggot actually is. It's the soft-bodied, legless larval stage of a fly. No wings, no legs, no hard head capsule. They breathe through tiny pores called spiracles at their ends, and up front they use specialized mouth hooks to rasp and slurp decaying matter. In other words, they're elite decomposers, built, like little stomachs, on a mission. The life cycle is fast and predictable. A fly finds a buffet, meat manure garbage, and lays eggs. Within about 24 hours, those eggs hatch. The larvae spend up to 2 weeks doing one thing extremely well: eating. They gorge, they grow crawl off to pupate, transforming into adult flies. That timeline is so regular that it becomes a biological clock. More on that in a second. First, the superpower decomposition. Maggots take rotting material and turn it back into nutrients fast. Some species even secrete natural antibacterial agents. That's not just convenient for ecosystems, it's medically useful. Enter maggot debridement therapy, or MDT. Doctors use sterile, lab-reared maggots to clean wounds that resist other treatments. These larvae prefer dead tissue. They dissolve and consume the gunk we don't want, leave living tissue alone. And their secretions can reduce bacteria and stimulate healing. Patients who've struggled for months can see progress in days. It's one of those rare treatments that's both ancient and cutting edge. And yes, it's FDA cleared because sterility and species choice matter. Don't try this at home. Now, forensics. Maggots arrive quickly and grow on a schedule tied to temperature and time, like timestamps on a body. Forensic entomologists collect larvae, identify the species, measure their stage, and, using local weather data, estimate when colonization began. That helps investigators narrow down time of death. Biology as a clock, ticking in plain sight. Black soldier fly maggots are champions at turning waste into value. Feed them agricultural scraps, feed them food waste, and they convert it into two products: protein-rich biomass for animal feed, nutrient-dense residue for soil. Compared to traditional feed sources, they need less land, less water, and they upcycle what we'd otherwise throw away. It's a circular economy with wings. Well, eventually. So, the next time maggot triggers that instinctive shudder, try this reframing. Cleanup crews, tiny surgeons, forensic timekeepers waste to protein machines. They turn decay into renewal. Gross? Maybe at first. But once you see the system, it's hard not to feel a little awe. Sometimes the most useful helpers are the ones we're trained to look away from. Thanks for sticking with me through the squirm. If you learned something new, you know what to do. See you in the next one.